What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we got something special, a nice ride along featuring a Honda Civic Type R. Super excited. My buddy Christian just picked it up a couple weeks ago, and yeah, we've been trying to make this video happen for a while, but it's finally gonna happen. Alright, enjoy this video. Oh, yeah. Don't want to get flagged. Hey, what's up, guys? Merv here. I'm here with my buddy Christian.
What's up, guys?
And yeah, got a special treat for you guys. We're in a Type R, and I'll let him talk about basically how it was pretty crazy. He got this like just spur of the moment, but yeah, I'll let you say.
All right,
anything.
so those of you that know me or those of you that don't, I'll say it anyways. Before this car, I had a GMC Sierra 2018. Always wanted a truck, never needed it, so it was borderline useless for me.
Oh.
But I went ahead and lifted it. Got that 4-inch lift on 35s. Was it practical? Hell no. Was it fun? Definitely.
Okay.
So now, I had that car, well that truck, for just over a year. One day, walk into a Honda dealership, see this Type R. It's 2019. I go, huh, how much? The perfect salesman, Mr. Joey Bucci.
Shout out to Joey.
Okay. He was like, oh, it's this much. I don't want to give the price because, well, you know, it's a lot. But anyways, he gave me a good hookup. So we did the numbers, and I was like, out of curiosity, I said, would you take my truck as is? And he's like, let me go find out. He went to go find out. Sure enough, they were willing to take the truck as is. I walked into that dealer not knowing I was getting a car. I walked out with the 2019 Type R, my friends.
There you go.
First manual car I've ever had. So it took a little bit of practice, but
I think he's doing all right. We haven't been freaking bucking around everywhere, so.
no sir, not yet.
Not yet. We haven't put it in R mode yet.
Wow.
No, but no, this is for our first manual car, man. This is a pretty stolid first choice, I gotta say.
I guess I went the full bougie package.
Quite the starter pack.
I guess you could say that.
But yeah, man. So the Type R. I mean, you had a Honda previously.
Yeah.
It was a Civic freaking CVT.
Yeah, so basically it was a 4-door LX, you know, nothing special, base model as hell. But I made something fun out of it,
Yeah,
slammed the shit out of it,
really nice.
made it even more impractical. But hey, I had fun with that. So this is my second Honda.
Yeah.
Honestly, love Hondas. They're very good cars. I've never had an issue with a Honda.
So you got a K20 turbo, Brembos, like you said.
Oh, and they work, don't they?
Oh, this. I mean, I won't disclose how quick we were going, but we were in Mexico, and you know, we're going at an S-turn after this nice little rip, and I was like, okay, he's gonna brake. It's gonna happen, you know. Nope.
Nope, he did not brake.
Just go like this. I'm like, oh, okay, we're doing this, all right. But at least the brakes, you know, stopped us in time before anything really happened.
Thank God.
Thank God. But yeah, at least I can say I was in the car with him when he, you know, almost took it to its max potential. This thing, but
It's definitely a little scary.
Oh,
I mean, considering that it's a Honda that's fast.
yes. With a turbo from factory, not like all these other kids buying eBay kits and you know, slapping it on there.
What Honda doesn't want you to know is that it's an actual eBay turbo kit from factory.
Right. You guys didn't hear that.
Squad, bro, love your Honda.
Alright, so being that this is a Type R and this was such a big deal when they announced that it was coming to North America, what's the ownership been like with this car? Like, obviously it's not your typical Civic, so.
Well, it's definitely not your typical Civic for one,
Yeah.
because it is Honda's race car, I guess you could say. But driving it for, what, the month I've had it so far, it's a very comfortable car.
Yeah?
I have it drives like any other sedan, like when you drive it in comfort mode.
Yeah.
When you drive it like a normal person, it's pretty smooth. There's no issues. The transmission, the clutch, the gearbox, everything is really put well together.
Yeah.
But you know, you definitely feel the power behind this car when you drive it. It's how you say, a spaceship.
Yes.
That's That's what it feels like you're driving.
That's what I was telling him earlier when when we met up. I was saying how this car makes the new STIs look very conservative. Like, this car looks like a spaceship from the outside. Like, it's retarded. The arrow, the wing, the front end, like the little hood scoop it's got going on. It's
Fun fact about the hood scoop is it's fake.
oh, see, I didn't know that. Damn you, Honda.
Pretty disappointed, but hey, it is what it is. And what are you doing,
person?
Welcome to West Island.
God.
But yeah, no, the drive, I mean, really comfortable, really smooth. No issues. Like I said, the transmission, everything. For my first time driving a manual car as mine, I got in it, felt pretty comfortable.
Yeah. Doing a pretty solid job, I must say. And what are your, you got any future plans for this thing?
So, future plans, maybe. As of now, I'm keeping it stock.
Enjoy it for what it is right now.
Pretty much. Come wintertime, I'm going to be looking into probably air intake, some downpipes and exhaust, most likely a tune.
Okay.
We'll start from there, see what happens. Because already, for me personally, this is enough horsepower.
And more power, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby.
Yeah.
Some of you out there might think, wow, that's it. Pussy. I don't know. But
yeah,
I've never had a fast car. So for me going to a base model Civic, to a lifted truck, to this car,
yeah,
big step up.
That's cool.
And I'm very happy with it.
Oh, cool. Nice Aventador.
Oh,
there's a ZR1.
Well, that's an old man driving.
Retirement money. That's what it is.
That's the only people that could afford it.
So, hey guys, welcome back to the vlog.
I'm Christian. That's Merv.
I'm a beautiful chocolate man. So, today we got Merv driving the Type R.
I know, this is crazy. Huge thanks, man, for letting me take this around here in a little area of Mexico. But yeah, man, this car is literally everything you've heard of or read about in reviews or whatever. It's true. This car is quite the driver's car. This thing feels great. I'm just cruising right now. I'm not even ripping it. And wow, it's really cool.
It's like what you said before, it doesn't feel like a front wheel drive car.
No, it doesn't. I did a little launch and it just hooked up and went. Like, no wheel hop, nothing like that. It just went. And here you can hear the turbo a little bit, which is pretty cool. So once he does a couple mods to it, even if he doesn't exhaust, you'll definitely hear it more. But
just gonna throw a bigger turbo in here for fun.
and this auto rev matching thing is the first time I ever drove a car with that, and it's really nice.
It's just so practical.
It really is. And it makes anyone that's new to manual car life,
Hey.
like, it'll definitely help with your driving. Like, I'm sure there's a way to turn it off if you really wanted to.
You definitely could, I just don't really care about turning it off.
Exactly.
It's just useful and practical.
Definitely, once you do all those mods you want to do, it's just gonna make you sound that much more of a badass when you're driving and downshifting.
Ooh, I can't wait to take it through tunnels.
Oh yeah. And the gearbox is so nice in this car. Oh my god.
Like, you could just rip it around for fun.
Oh, it's just great. And this area is the perfect place to really test out this car.
If they got a lap time going.
Oh man. Would you ever bring this to a track or something?
Yeah.
Try it out?
Yeah, for sure.
I feel like you gotta at least try it once.
I definitely gotta try it once, but I definitely gotta get used to this car more before I bring it on a track and really test its limits.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Because I feel like if I have a nice accident on the track, it's just gonna cost a lot more money than it should.
Yeah, definitely.
And I'm not there yet. I'm not a professional driver, guys. Okay? Let's leave it at that. I'm a noob.
I give you maybe, well, you've only had this car for a month and you're driving it pretty well, so maybe another month if you decide to get your fix in before swapping to winter stuff. Sad. I can't. Anyways, we'll enjoy this season while it's still here because winter time, I don't like winter at all, dude.
Yeah, because winter we can't just rip around turns and just floor it everywhere.
I know.
Well, I mean, you could,
But it's just,
it screams disaster
exactly.
and morbid death. That's all it is.
Not a good mix. Oh man. Oh, there's speed bumps right here.
Yeah. Also, another funny thing about me purchasing this car,
What?
I didn't even test drive it before I got it.
Oh no?
No.
You're just like, I want you.
Pretty much. I saw it, sat in it, took it.
I like you. I like sex. It's nice.
So the opportunity was there, man. You didn't want to.
I don't want to let that pass by me.
That's
And
it.
listen, I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for a good time.
That's it. Oh, if I were in your position, I probably would have done the same thing.
Let me just real quick. There would be a truck that pulls out in
I
front.
know. Perfect timing, Mr. Truck. Anyways, we got up to speed real quick.
Yeah, we hit 150 pretty nice.
We're doing 50, like it says here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Arrest me.
You gotta zoom in on your face when you say that.
Arrest me.
Glad it didn't come out with an automatic version.
Oh, that would have been so poor.
Yeah. Alright.
We're gonna catch up to him real quick at the speed limit. Has a nice little launch control.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. Just it's like go.
Alright, this S turn over here is where things could have probably went real south last time.
Well, you know what? There's no brake marks, so we're good. I find third is where you really get the most power when you downshift back to third, and you just, that's where the boost is peaking.
Oh.
But hey, what do I know about cars?
Well, made a good choice with this thing, man. Quite the nice vehicle. Woo. Love that. Alright guys, well, we're gonna basically wrap up today's video. I'd like to say thank you again, Christian.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. We'll try and get as much ride-along videos before the season ends. Hopefully my boy that we were supposed to do a video today, I'm calling you out, buddy.
I took your spot. I'm not sorry.
There you go. I won't reveal what car it is, but it's a pretty cool one too.
Was it a Prius?
Dude, you're not supposed to say that. Sorry,
My bad.
It's a Hellcat swapped Prius.
Oh, okay, with the Harley motor.
Anyways, guys, if this is your first time, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll make sure to see you guys in the next video. All right? Take care. Peace.
Peace.